All right, this is the first GoPro 9 Black test video series. I'm gonna hit some trails in Mililani. That was the ride in on time lapse. Now we got to the trail. Time for a little regular footage. Here we go. Regular speed footage. Oh, my pack is the wrong way. Check the zipper, let's turn that around. All right. Some single track action in Mililani. Midday after lunch. Nice downhill here. Section conditions are good. Nice and dry. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's get there. Rocks keep getting bigger. And we're going downhill. All right, let's switch back to time lapse for this fire road section. Okay, we're on 1931. That's the trail name. Gonna regular speed this climb on turbo on the e-bike. Shouldn't take too long. Won't be as fast as going down though. Trail's a little bit wet. It's been raining pretty much every day. Some days a lot more than others. Yes! Get over that rock. Yeah, wrong gear. There we go. Whew, starting to breathe. Here we go. Watch out for those tree roots. Slippery when away. That foot-long subways taking a toll now. good to be fueled up, but a little too full. California grasses. And we're going. It's a big climb. Take this guy up all the way. Just keep spinning. That's slippery coming down. Whew. Come on. All right. Almost the top. One more little climb, not too bad though. Pretty easy. And here we are at the top. A little downhill. After this, what the hell is that? Woo-wee! All right. Nice up here. Bump. Woo-wee! Drop. This turn is always bitch. This other turn here too. Not bad. Conditions are good. Woo-wee! Woo-wee! Calling out for the pigs. All right, we got another climb. Go back to time lapse on this so it doesn't have to be so slow. Made it up to the top, junction here. Gonna take a quick breath, start the downhill. Make sure everything's ready for the bumpity bump. Sip of water. Here we go. Zigzaggy, looking over little bumps here. I think Tim calls this trail middles. So we ride down what we just rode up. It's a great beginner trail, easy flow, nothing technical. It's all washed out here from the rain there. Gotta watch out for the trees. Little hills. One of the newer alternate routes. Yeah, get some rocks exposed there. It's fun. Up the side there, and then the turnout. Hit the berm section now. Ah, good fun. Bump. Whoa. Oh. It keeps going. Whew. I make the turn back to 1931 and ride out. All right, let's take a pause here. We got to do a little climb. Stop the video for the climb. Catch my breath too. Yeah. Whew. All right, it's the ride out 1931. Okay, let's do it. Gonna watch the section up here. Well, after this part. Okay, this is gonna be good. It's this here. Slippery, slippery. Where good brakes come in handy. Woo! Nice. Love this trail. Nice ups and downs. Woo-wee. All right. Here. Out for the rocks. Okay, tire going down. Yeah. Woo. There's a little bit of a climb out of here. So lucky to have these trails and to be able to mountain bike during the pandemic. Okay, this climb is a son of a bitch. I've never made that. Yeah, God. GoPro, baby. Woo! Freaking nice time. Not possible on a manual bike, I don't think. Barely possible on an e-bike. Oopsie doos. Whew. One more turn here. Whew. All right. Time for slow-mo. Time lapse of the road. Yeah. Woo. Good fun. Afternoon. Quick ride. Loving the new iPhone and the GoPro. Thanks to my babe Genevieve. Love you, babe.